You're welcome. Follow us on our social media channels to get more news from us, to know more about us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by turning on your notification bell from Phoenix Natural. Follow us now and don't waste time. We love you. We made videos because I wasn't actually feeling very well. So but now I am back to business and back to base. So you guys, you're going to be learning amazing stuff right here on this channel. So first of all, what we are going to be talking about today is what really causes knuckles. Many people have knuckles issues, both men and women. I've been having some of them come to my office to talk about how do they get rid of the knuckles they are having. So what are the major things? I have written down a few things that really causes knuckles. So first of all, we number one, certain drugs. Most people react to certain drugs like vitamin B12. It might not be like everybody, it might not be like everybody that does react to the drugs. So but vitamin B12 causes knuckles. Everybody has different immune system, so it might not be you, it might be. Number two, harsh creams. When you're using bleaching creams, definitely when you're using bleaching creams and you're not applying sunscreen on your hands whenever you go out under the sun, definitely you're resorting to knuckles. Or whenever you're cooking in the kitchen and you know you're using harsh cream, you want to like lighten up pretty fast, the cream is quite harsh, and you are this kind of person that goes to the kitchen all the time to cook, this also causes knuckles. Hot water, washing your hands enough every time in water causes knuckles too when you're using harsh cream. Number three, that is shocking, that nobody has told you about, is detergent. Basically, when you're washing clothes with detergent, it causes knuckles. It really causes knuckles, especially when you're on lightening cream. It causes knuckles. You're this type that washes clothes all the time. When when you have like two to three clothes that are dirty, you just want to wash them using detergent. Detergent is quite harsh. It is quite harsh. Just pour it on your hands and just rub it on your palms, like you feel the harshness. So when you're using cream, you need to avoid using detergent to be washing clothes. Either you pay somebody to wash, or you get a washing machine to wash your clothes, or you wear hand gloves. That's where you see most of these white people wear hand gloves whenever they are using detergents to wash their clothes. So I'm going to be recommending few home remedies on how to get rid of knuckles gradually, but it's not a 1 week thing. Is not, sorry, I didn't do my hair, so I had to like wear this scarf to cover my hair. So this is not a 1 week result. It's not going to give you a 1 week result or two. You have to use it like 3 to 4 times a week for you to get a maximum result. So first of all, on our home remedies, we're going to be using baking soda. So what you do is you mix baking soda with rose water, apply it as a paste on the knuckle where you have knuckles parts, either your foot or your hands, then leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then you scrub it a little bit and wash off. You use it like 3 to 4 times a week, like I said, before you get a really massive result. So number two is organic picture on the screen for you to see. Organic lemon juice. So what you do is you apply it every day with a cotton board or a cotton wool on the parts you have the knuckles on daily basis. And we have other products like we refer to as over the counter that you can easily use. You look for product that contains lipohydroxy. Now lipohydroxy are actually derived from salicylic acid. Okay, so you can also use salicylic acid can also dissolve salicylic acid and be applying it on the parts you have the knuckles to help exfoliate the dark parts on your hands or your foot. I'm going to recommend some 3 to 4 things that you can mix together to produce a knuckles cleanser or a knuckle cream. You can get the salicylic acid, you get alpha arbutin powder or serum, and you get kojic oil, the oil or the powder. If you want, if you can dissolve the powder, good. Then you get licorice extract. Licorice extract now is very strong in lightening and even toning the skin, so you can easily get the powder or you get the liquid. You can, or you mix them together and you start applying it on the knuckles. Now this mixture is not going to give you 1 week result, so I'm just going to be frank with you. It's not going to give you 1 week result. It's going to give you like from 3 weeks upwards. You start seeing results. All right, you start seeing results, but before you start using it, you have to make sure you scrub your hands, or you can use like a mild scrub to scrub your hands to remove the hard parts, or to soften it a bit before you start applying the knuckle cleanser or cream. If you want to make it as a cream, or you want to make it as a cleanser, or we have a cream that we use in our store. So if you want to get one of our knuckle creams, you can just follow the link down below to our WhatsApp page, then we can talk to you from there. So if you have any questions regarding everything that I have said down below, you can just leave your comment below. I'll respond to your comment in another video. I'll respond to your comment in another video. So kindly, please, if you have not subscribed watching this video, please do subscribe, and we'll be coming back massively like this. Buzz. How many of you are watching BBN? Oh my god, it's been lovely time. You know these people needs to come and get knuckles cream. Or I don't want to mention anybody's name, but they really need to come and get knuckles cream. All right, so have a lovely week.